to another video. Today I will be doing workout routines for women, so stick around and stay tuned as I pump it up for you. At the gym, I'm on the stationary bicycle and I'm going to be doing 30 minutes cycling starting now. So yes, guys, you don't want to see us, well, at me, because Corona having me with a big belly, so I have to be at the gym to work off. So yes, see my friend over there, she has smiled, see her there, but we are here and we're gonna be working it today. So stay tuned, guys. So 30 minutes, you'll see me periodically. Yes guys, I'm halfway there. From 30 minutes now it's 14:16, so I'm halfway and I'm still cycling. Okay? Yes. Whew. I'm struggling, you know guys, but I have to do it. I have to get off this Corona fat. Yes. All those cooking on the channel. I need to get rid of this food, man. Whew. Yes. Whew. Up. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Whew. Workout. Yes, guys. It was 30 minutes of workout. I burned 124 calories. And I go 5.3 in distance. So guys, it's not easy. It wasn't easy, but I did it. So kudos to me. I'm gonna be going on the next machine. See you over there right now, guys. Elliptical. I'm doing 10 minutes here. So guys, stay with me in the gym. It will be well worth it when I'm done. Yes. Can you see this belly? See it? I have to get rid of it, guys. Whew. Yeah. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Guys, this is it on this machine. Yes. Whew. Workout. If you want good, my mother would say, you know it's a free run. So right now, it's hard work, but I want good. Yeah. So guys, see you on the next routine. Alright? Yeah, replenish what you sweat out. It's important, guys. Yeah, and we're going again. Right.
Go for your hand. Look. Look.
Yes. Video.
No, straighten out your 2 foot there. Yeah, and then go up.
Holding the belly. Side back. Woo. Switch sides, man. Woo. Yes. Switch sides. Woo.
Next up, jump rope spin.
Woo.
Lunge touching kick.
Woo. This is hard, guys. Woo.
Lunge touching kick. Keep your front behind the toes.
Woo.
Looking to help
Guys, this is hard. Abdominals now. When we reach abdominals, crunch.
Yes.
Which one?
switch sides.
Which one?
Up. With your foot. Just like how you need that on your foot. And you come up. Yeah. Try to come up. Yeah. Come up your back. That. Yes.
Next up, reverse lunge and knee lift.
Up. Before you come.
Woo.
Engage with your left knee. Focus on the form technique to help maintain your balance. Next up, chair assist push-up.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Chair assist push up.
Chair assist push-up.
Yes, I'm trying to straighten my feet. Oh, it's hard, guys. Whew. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Yes. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for coming over. Thank you for subscribing. Nice. See you in the next video. Bye. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Whew. Workout. Yes, guys. It was 30 minutes of workout. I burned 124 calories and I go 5.3 in distance. So guys, it's not easy. It wasn't easy, but I did it. So kudos to me. I'm gonna be going on the next machine. See you over there right now, guys.